Well, a potential big step forward with a medical career highlight.
Listen to this. Two local pediatricians have now published a preprint of the first case believed to be reported in the world of a baby born with antibodies to COVID-19.
Yeah, as WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan reports, the doctors say the local mother was vaccinated a few weeks prior to birth.
After the vaccine came out, we started looking for people who might be eligible to get it who were pregnant. We saw the recommendations change pretty quickly initially to allow pregnant women to get the vaccine.
Dr. Paul Gilbert and Dr. Chad Rudnick.
But this is just one piece of the puzzle that we are able to share with the world.
Are pediatricians in Boca Raton with potential big news to share.
Coming into January, we had the opportunity with a healthcare worker for her to get her vaccine at the end of her pregnancy. And then when the baby was born, we were able to test that baby's cord blood to look for antibodies that were made from the vaccine to see if those antibodies passed from the mom to the baby and potentially giving the baby protection.
The doctors wrote up a case report saying a pregnant woman received a single dose of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. 3 weeks later, she gave birth to a healthy baby girl who they say had antibodies against COVID.
We were fortunate that this was essentially an opportunity study, because of the time where this healthcare worker was able to receive her first vaccine. It was early on in the vaccine rollout. It was the first case to our knowledge that was reported in the literature around the world of a baby born to a mother who had not had COVID previously and was vaccinated to then see that they had antibodies.
These doctors say because of what they know about antibody transmission to a fetus during pregnancy, this was expected.
Very excited to see once this test result came back that the antibodies from the mom's vaccine did in fact pass through the placenta to the newborn.
But now hope it leads to further studies of maternal COVID vaccinations to protect babies as well. They're excited at what they believe is the first reported case in the world in our own backyard, and a positive in the midst of the pandemic. Right now, they say they're in the final phase to get formal publication.
Really cool, great scientific opportunity. And we knew that we were going to be potentially one of the first in the world to report it. And that type of opportunity probably only comes once in a career.
Being able to report something that's the first in the world in the literature is something that it doesn't come up in most careers.
Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.